I'm making a jewelry necklace holder that a friend of mine gave me to use as a pattern, and then I thought, what if I tested to see how the nails would react, because I think it would be easier to add the nails to the necklace holder before putting the resin on. And so she said go for it. So she picked out 6 colors. I've got some soap dyes that are sepia, lime green, and green pearl dry, some Pearlex antique silver, and Prisma 65 pearl pigments silver, and then we're going to use some midnight black from Color Cottage. I'm using general purpose epoxy from the epoxy resin store. I decant it into these bottles. Okay, let's do black. Just going to get some resin on the end of this feather, and then I'm just going to just twist and drag. I think I'm going to leave that just like that. Maybe I'll add just a little bit more of this green through here. It's a little too gray for me. So let's go down for a close-up. I think that's pretty. That will be very pretty, I think, hanging on a wall with her necklaces hanging from those nails. So we'll come back when I get when it's all cured, and we'll decide what we need to do, and we'll put the hooks back in the top. We'll see you in a sec. Ready to put the screws back in. So here's the top. Here are my options. I can redo it if my friend Connie doesn't like this on the sides. I could paint this black and then brush on some clear epoxy, or I can redo it. If I redo it to get a coat of resin on here, I'm going to have to scuff this up. And either way, I'm going to have to scuff it up and scratch it because this is not level. But there are my options. So I'll come back when I find out what she wants to do. Okay, we're back. My friend Connie. Hi, Connie. Love you. She wanted the black trim on the sides. And if you look, oh, you can't see it. There are smudges. I don't know how that occurred, but it's really weird. So we're going to put another top coat on. So I've got some more painter's tape on the back. This one turned out really pretty. This is upside down. Look at the sparkle. I like it. So we're going to put some top coat. I will put pictures of them and close-ups at the end of the video. Thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate you guys stopping in and visiting. And thank you for all of you subscribers and your likes. And if you haven't subscribed, if this is your first time visiting, consider subscribing so you can see all of the new videos that come out every day or every other day. We'll see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.